Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another Let's Try. What we're going to be doing today is Let's Try World Market. Now, if you're not familiar with World Market, it's a place that has stuff from all over the world. Different cultures all funneled in to one location. I personally love it because not only is it furniture, but there's also imported beers, wine, kitchen stuff. There's decor. There's weird toys, normal toys. There's all types of things. Me personally, my favorite thing from World Market is the different types of food that they offer. These different types of food you can't really find anywhere else other than, well, little towns, right? And I'm talking about little China, little Mexico, little whatever. Personally, to me, it's one of my favorite stores because of the diversity that they have. And I bought some stuff. Let's dive into it. Let me go ahead and start off by letting you know my palate cleanser, because no matter what, you always have to have a palate cleanser. When you eat spicy, you gotta clean your palate. You eat something sharp, you gotta clean your palate. Let's go ahead and try something easy, right? I saw this product and I thought to myself, I can do this. It's a Skinny Jimmy clean protein bar. Apparently it's supposed to keep you woke and focused at the same time, all while being the flavors of cookies and cream. It says right here it has guarana caffeine. And also has omega-3 and MCT oils. Omega-3s? That's like fish stuff. I'm cool with that. MCT oils, no idea. It's under 100 calories, 7 grams of protein, and it only has 3 grams of sugar. And it says gluten-free. Me personally, I'm cool with gluten. Me and gluten are friends. I love you, gluten. Ah, okay. Over here in the back it tells you boosted with guarana, natural plant source of caffeine. Cool, love caffeine. Omega-3 oil may promote brain cell development. I'm gonna need a whole bunch. MCT oil may benefit mental focus and performance. May? It's gonna be May. Stay woke. Ah, bruh. What is that? This is the image that you see. When you open it, you see that. Now, the front's okay. It looks like cookies. The back looks like it fell off. It looks like it fell off of the table and somebody picked it up and was like, yeah, no, it has MCT oils. Let's do it. Let's get it. It tastes like a protein bar. If you ever tasted a protein bar that has whole grain or oats, or that's not made with unhealthy, delicious stuff, well, you know what I'm talking about. It's dry, it's crunchy. It feels like people just threw it together and they were like, yeah, energy balls. Overall, if I were rating it from a 1 to 10, as a protein bar, solid 6. As something to enjoy, solid 2. Moving on. Utilize our palate cleanser. I tried taking the sticker off. That didn't really work. It's a salmon jerky by Epic. It A little strip. Me, personally, I'm a huge fan of jerky. Huge fan. I like jerky. I like salmon. Bro, what, are you kidding me? That's strong. Alright. It's because my hands are oily. They're sweaty because you make me nervous. Jesus. I'm gonna stop playing games. Whoa. Actually, it's not too bad now that I flipped it. I flipped it on the other side. It smells that bad. It tastes like I should not be eating this. It's kind of sketch. I'm not gonna rate that salmon jerky from 1 to 10. I feel like this scale should have at least 3 negative numbers, so I can give it a -2. Because I'm not gonna give it a -3. It doesn't deserve it. It was jerky. It gave me some protein. Ah. Next product that we're gonna try is Japanese style green tea mochi or mochi. I really don't know how they say it, but it's brought to you by Yuki and Love. So I'm just touching it and it feels wrong. It's squishy in all the right places. Bon apple tea. That's gonna be a hard no for me. It has a gelatinous middle and outer. It's kind of rubbery. The taste is not bad. The smell is not bad. The texture is off. Palate cleanser. Nailed it. We found this cool little candy thing. I guess they're all the same flavor. It smells like a root beer. I was not expecting that. The second I put it into my mouth, that was a roller coaster ride. Honestly, I went. So Super Cola Candy, rating it from a 1 to 10. Depends what you're looking for. Me personally, I say it was an 8. I like the candy. It's just not something I can have every day. It's one of those candy like you gotta prepare yourself mentally, and then you gotta prepare your taste buds. Be like, hey, bro, we're gonna go into some sour territory. Style points. Nailed it. This next product is coming straight out of America from your own backyard. This here is called Redneck Cafe Bacon Hot Chocolate, and it has a little bacon in it. Nope. That's surprisingly not bad. Honestly, I do think the Rednecks have something good going on this. That was oddly satisfying. Ugh. I need more. Guys, thank you for watching another video of mine. I hope you enjoyed the experiences, though today wasn't pushing ourselves outside of the comfort zone. We tried new things, and that's what we're about all in this channel. Trying new things and sharing the experience. See what you like, see what you don't. Give it a try. The most important thing is you have to try. Okay? Till next time. I'll see you guys later.